Hey everyone, here's here from Leathercraft School. Today we are diving into lesson 35, how to attach a rivet. Rivets are small but powerful metal fasteners that securely connect the leather pieces. If you install correctly, they won't budge, making them one of the most reliable fasteners in Leathercraft. The best part, installing rivet is super simple. Once you learn the technique, you will be able to do it in no time. Alright, let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly break down what the rivet is and how it works. A rivet consists of two parts. The male part, a post goes through the leather, and the female part, the top piece that holds everything in a place. And here's how rivet works. Punch a hole, create a hole in the leather for the rivet. Insert the rivet, push the post through and attach the cap, and secure it. Use the Rivet Setter and Mallet to flatten the post, locking the cap in place. Once the post flattens by tapping with the mallet, the post expands and grips the cap tightly, making the rivet incredibly strong. That's why rivets are used in bags, belts, shoes and more. And here is the tool you will need. Rivet Setter for pressing the rivet securely. Snap setting base, a base that holds the rivet in place. Mallet for tapping the rivet setter. And you will also need a hole punch tool and pound board to making the hole for the rivet. Now that we have everything ready, let's go step by step. For this tutorial, I will be using a 9mm large rivet. The first step is to punch a hole. Use a hole punch tool to make a clean hole in the leather, in the place where you want to set the rivet. Here's the tip, the hole should match the diameter of this part of the female cap to make sure it fits to the hole. The second step is to insert the rivet. Push the male part through the hole. Snap the female cap on top. Then press the both sides firmly until you hear this click sound. This helps keep the rivet in place before setting it. And the third step is to secure the rivet. Place the rivet post side down in the groove of the setting base. And hold the rivet setter upright to avoid a misalignment. Then tap with the mallet 7 to 8 times, starting light and gradually increasing the force. And just like that, your rivet is locked in place. And let's do final check. Look from the side. If both parts are evenly aligned, you've done it. That's all for today. How was it? Here is the key takeaway from this lesson. Rivet have two parts, a post and a cap. Hole sides and rivet setter sides matters. Always match it to the sides of the rivet and hold the rivet setter upright to avoid a misalignment. Today I used the 9mm rivet, but if you're using the different sides, make sure to use the correct sides of rivet setter and hole punch for best result. If you want to grab the exact tool I used, please check out the links in the description. But if your rivets are misaligned or come off easily, even when following these steps, don't worry. In the next lesson, I will show you common rivet mistakes and how to avoid it. So if you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. It will help the channel to grow. That's it for today. See you in the next lesson. Bye!